Hello everyone, welcome to the Chase Bliss Audio YouTube channel. Right now we're going to do a little video on this SBH switch here. And that stands for standard, both, and harmonic. So you can do either a standard tremolo, harmonic tremolo, or standard and harmonic simultaneously. So we all know what a standard tremolo is, I think, right? You know, volume modulation, you can turn it up so it gets quieter, slow the rate down. With this ModuShape engine, you know, you can change the shape of the modulation. So right here I have it as square. Now, that's standard tremolo. Now, what is harmonic tremolo? I think the easiest way to describe it is if you have a single tone knob and you're turning it up all the way and down all the way. So you're hearing high frequencies and low frequencies. So it sounds kind of like a tremolo, but there's kind of this like weird phasey thing that's also happening. So on this pedal, if you have the mode switch up, that's the only dip switch I have right now, then this toggle here magically becomes the SBH switch. So let's flip it over to harmonic. Now the tone controls and the depth controls sort of change now. So if you turn tone all the way to the right, that means that this harmonic modulation that's happening is that it's going to go that wherever this knob is set is the highest it's going to be able to go, and wherever the depth knob is the lowest that you know, tone knob modulation is happening. So as you roll those off, then it's going to squeeze that modulation so it's not as wide. Now that was a lot of words, okay? So just let me kind of show you what I'm talking about. So here's harmonic. You can hear, let's slow it way down. It's like high frequency, low frequency. So it's like I'm taking that tone knob and going, you know, up, down, up, down. Now, as I roll off the tone, it's not going to go to that high extreme. You're still getting some modulation there, but it's not nearly the same. Contrarily, with the depth, if you roll that back, it's not going to go to those lower extremes. So you really have a lot of flexibility to dial in exactly what you want to hear. One of my favorite things to do is use this. You know, you still have access to the ModuShape engine, so you can do square wave, like chop type of stuff in harmonic mode, which is kind of crazy. And especially if you're running like a distortion or a fuzz pedal before that. I wish I had one. I would show you. It can sound really, really interesting. So if you do like a harmonic swell type of a thing, so that kind of sounds like, you know, you're slowly turning up this tone knob. It's different than tremolo, right? You know, it's never going to like zero volume, or it's just the tone that's changing. So also we have this other setting where it's harmonic and standard tremolo happening at the same time. And it's kind of subtle, but when I was developing the pedal and I heard that, I was like, I just got to put that in there because there's something about it that's sort of special. So if we, you know, at the top, you know, when the loud parts of the tremolo is happening, there's also that little tone spike. And it's very unique kind of a sound, and it is subtle, but I basically use it like this almost all the time because there's just something about it that I like that's just a little bit unique. And yeah, that's about it for this segment. Thanks for listening.